all. Today I am going to show you how to transplant the seedlings in the potting mix. Now just make some hole in the pot, then remove it. You can see the roots developed. Just put it inside, press it lightly, cover it with the potting mix. Now here I am going to take one chili sapling. You can see the roots developed. Just make a hole in the pot so that it fits. Put it inside, cover it with potting mix, press it lightly. Here I am going to show you how to transplant the cabbage sapling. This is cabbage sapling. Lightly take it over. You can see the roots. When the seedlings have 4 to 6 true leaves, it is ready to transplant. So this has nearly 5 leaves, so it's ready to transplant. Press it lightly, then cover it.